Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start on the chart itself, not the watch list or profile. Open the chart and click the gear icon for chart settings. This is the only place to control time display. Once there, select the Time Zone/Session tab. That tab hosts the time zone selector. Make sure you're using the desktop or web version. The mobile app has limited controls. Now that the settings panel is open, you're ready to pick or type a time zone to apply to the chart immediately. In the Time Zone/Session tab, choose the exact time zone from the drop-down or start typing a city to filter options. This ensures precision. You can toggle between exchange time and a custom time zone. Pick custom if you want your local clock. Once you pick the zone, confirm session settings so session bars align correctly. Click Apply or OK. The chart will redraw with new timestamps and session backgrounds. If you manage multiple charts, repeat per chart. After applying, inspect the x-axis timestamps and session shading to confirm the change. If nothing updates, reload the chart layout, clear the browser cache, or sign out and back in. Stale cache often blocks UI changes. Also, make sure you didn't open the mobile app or a synced multi-chart layout that enforces a different time zone. Finally, if a saved layout resets the zone, save a new layout after changing time zone. That locks the custom time zone to the chart going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.